About this item: 1 pack HDMI converter, Type C to HDMI converter, easy to use, plug and play, no need Wi-Fi connection, no need personal hotspot/AirPlay, no need any app/driver. It enable resolution up to 3840*2160 at 30 Hz, 4K 30 Hz, and backwards compatible to 480p, 360p, 720p, 1080p wide compatibility for USB-C laptops/phones/tables, such as MacBook Pro 2017/2016, not support 2018 MacBook Pro currently, iMac/iMac Pro, Yoga 720/900/920 Dell SBS December 13, 15, HP Spectre X2/X360, new Surface Book 2, etc. Phones: Samsung Galaxy S10/S9 Plus/S9/S8/S8 Plus/Note 8, LG G5, LG V20, HTC 10, Huawei Mate 10, etc. High definition mirror and extended display modes: mirror or extend your screen contents with the high definition graphics images on your HD TV, monitors, or projector in the resolution up to 4K at 30 Hz, allow you to enjoy a movie with families and friends together at home, or to do a presentation at the conference room.